Hello everyone. Next we will be drawing an elephant making the shape of our hands. So take our hand and place it as such and then reverse the sheet of paper. Now on the thumb add those lines to form the trunk of the elephant. Then add eyes and ears and a little tail. On the nails part add small little curves to make it look like the feet of the elephant and color it in as you like. We have chosen to do it with blue and sketch pens. You may choose any color that you want, such as grey or any other color. Next, we will be drawing a rose with thorns. So draw two circles firstly and connect the circles to the other circles as such. And then draw a base as an oval or bell-shaped base. And then add semicircles on the sides of the rose to make it complete. Then add a stem and add leaves to the stem to make it complete again. Color it as you like and there you have it, a rose with thorns. Next, we will be drawing a triangular fish. Firstly, add curves in the shape of 3 multiple times and then connect each of these. So we have almost completely finished one fish and now move on to the other and repeat the process. Now we have 2 fish facing each other with their fins and everything else. And color these in as you like. Add a heart on top to make it look like the fish are in love. This will also add the illusion of the water as such, and you will see that the fish are underwater and they are in love with each other. Add cute little grass at the bottom. Following this, also add a ground underwater. Add some pebbles and color as you please. Next, we will be drawing using numbers once again. Draw the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the first one, we will be drawing a pickle. Next, out of number 2, we will be drawing a carrot. So add the leaves of the carrot and inside draw lines to signify the lines on carrot. On number 3, we will be drawing chilies. So make these shapes and color it in as you please. On number 4, on the other hand, we will be drawing maize. So make an ovular shape and add checks to signify the checks of the maize and color it in once again as you please. Next, on number 5, we will be making oranges. Color it in as such. For our last number 6, we will be making radishes. Thank you for watching.